Hello everyone. So the next topic is about Fermi level. Okay, Fermi level is nothing but, like we said, the valence electrons and valence orbit electrons will be occupied and all. It will have the energy levels, energy states and all. So we will see in Fermi level what is this probability of those energy levels being occupied. Whether it will be occupied or not, the probability level can be known by this Fermi level. Okay, uh, generally in metals there will be large free electrons, right? Large free electrons that move randomly within the material. Okay, they cannot leave that metal surface since they do not have like high energy to overcome that surface. Okay, so different valence electrons have different energies. Okay, so these different energies are nothing but some energy states or energy levels. Okay, that or energy levels, that's all. So in metal these electrons will be more, so different valence electrons will have different energies. These different energies are called as energy states or energy levels. So we can say what is meant by Fermi level is the probability of an energy state, this energy state, okay, of energy state being occupied or not. Okay, it is given by this Fermi level. It is given by this one, Fermi Dirac probability function. Okay, so we have one formula for this. Based on that formula we can see whether these energy levels will be occupied or not, can be found with this Fermi Dirac probability function. Okay, so what is this formula is f of E is equal to 1 by 1 plus e power E minus EF divided by KT. So this is the Fermi Dirac probability function. Okay, here E represents a quantum state. In which state it is present, this E will represent. Okay, and K is nothing but Boltzmann constant. All right. T, as we all know, that is absolute temperature. Okay, so EF is called as Fermi level. Okay, this is called Fermi level. So generally if we put okay, E is equal to EF, then what happens in this equation? We'll see. So f of E will be 1 by 1 plus e power EF minus EF divided by KT. Alright, so this will be 0, no? So 1 plus e power 0 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So this is 1 by 2. That means 50%. That means there is 50% probability of being filled. So that energy state, for example, any energy state, that means it has probability of 50% that it will be full. Okay. Now at temperature 0 Kelvin, we'll be having two cases. Okay, what are those two cases is, let E is greater than EF. So at temperature T is equal to 0 Kelvin, so we have f of E will be if you substitute in that equation, suppose the value is greater than EF. Okay, you can take any value. Suppose you will be getting around e power infinity. So anything power infinity will be 0 and that will be 0. Okay. Next, that means what this mean is, if it is 0, it means that at absolute 0 temperature there will be no quantum state energy no quantum state energy greater than EF which is occupied. That means nothing will be occupied. Okay, now the next case is let E is less than EF. Okay, that means here f of E will be 1 by 1 plus e power, it will become minus infinity. Okay, that be 1 plus 0, that is nothing but 1 plus 1 is 1 by 1 is 1 or 100%. That means here all the quantum levels are present. All quantum levels will have energies. Okay, these are the two probability conditions. So Fermi level will represent the maximum. Fermi level represents what it represents is the maximum energy. Maximum energy any electron can possess. At absolute 0 Kelvin temperature. So Fermi level, what it represents is how much energy that electron can possess. For example, 100% energy or 0, based upon the temperature what they are giving. Okay, I hope this is clear, and this is what Fermi level represents. Okay, it's very clear, and I think it's very important also.